If cancer ultimately kills the host, what is the evolutionary advantage for cancer? Part 1. This has to do with why we get old and die. If an animal is very likely to be killed and eaten, or, in the case of some predators, die of injuries by the time it is 5 years old, there is no selection pressure to give it the capacity to live a lot longer, because having the unrealized potential to live to 50 won't improve its reproductive success. Instead, selection will favor getting its breeding in young in those 5 years, as that maximizes its chances of passing on its genes. It's not just that there is no selection pressure to improve your chances of delaying aging if you're almost certain to die young or something else. It's also the case that some of the genes which increase an organism's chances of getting its breeding done early, and which are therefore favored by selection pressure, become actively harmful if the organism happens to live much longer than the normal age at death. For humans, there's selection pressure to keep us healthy up to about 60, because between 40 and 60, we are still passing on our genes by helping to raise our grandchildren. But beyond that point, living longer doesn't make much difference to our ability to pass on our genes, and so there's no selection pressure to keep us healthy. The vigorous cell division, which kept us fit and able to recover from injury when we were young and breeding, now threatens to tip over into runaway cancer. This is why cancer is mainly a disease of the over 50s.